Hello students, parents, and guardians. I am excited to introduce myself. I am Mr. Albernez, and I am your student's Calculus CP, Geometry CP, or SA Geometry teacher for this year. Although some rosters are still slightly changing, and although you might not have me until next semester, I figured it best to email this video out to everyone and welcome you back for another great year. I know that everyone is eager for information, so I'll do my best to answer some of the questions that you might have. Some of you have chosen distance learning, while others have chosen to attend in person. I want to let everyone know that regardless of your decision, I am here to help. Email is the best way to reach out to me if you have any questions. This year, students will also be able to book an office hour appointment with me. I'm going to make a Google appointment book and put that link on Google Classroom so students can use that to book a time with me. Attached to this email is a gradebook and assignment codes document. This will help clarify questions that you may have regarding grading for this year. Specifically, we are going to focus on formative and summative assessments items. The formative part of your grade will make up 25%, and the summative will make up 75%. Formative assignments are things like textbook questions, worksheets, IXL assignments, etc. And summative things are like quizzes, IXL averages, and projects. In an effort to save time and focus more on mastery, we may not be taking traditional tests. If that is the case, students will receive additional quizzes to ensure that multiple opportunities are given to demonstrate success. In our class, we will be using GoFormative for assessments. It's an online web-based product. I'm going to try to keep assessments all online this year to keep it equitable for in-person and distance learners. This will also prepare students for future classes where different software may be used. Students will also have to learn and become familiar with and comfortable with Desmos graphing software, which is another online product. This will ensure that students each have a calculator for their own access, as we will not be able to share them in the classroom this year. If you are interested in purchasing a handheld graphing utility for future classes, I would suggest a TI-84 Color Edition. It is not cheap, but it's definitely a long-term investment. But a simple scientific calculator will do just fine for our class. We'll spend the first couple of days practicing these softwares to ensure that students feel comfortable with these products, and I will make helpful videos on how to use them. These resources and all resources will be listed in Google Classroom for students to refer back to. Students' first homework assignment will be to sign the course syllabus and have their parents or guardians sign it as well. Students can do this on paper and submit it to Google Classroom, or actually, just to get started with GoFormative, I put it up there just for students to kind of play around with it and see what it's like. Lastly, in this video, I want to invite everyone to a meet and greet and question and answer session tomorrow night, Monday, September 14th from 6 to 7. If there's a high demand, I can stay past 7 or schedule another meeting time like Tuesday night, but I just wanted to reach out and be able to answer any in-class questions that students or parents had. I will include that link in this email as well. I think it does it for me. See you all soon. Be safe, be healthy, be well, and until next time.